Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 2 of LIPS 2021. I would like to welcome all of you again. I hope you all had a good and enjoyable day. For those who did not attend me, I will just briefly summarize my slides as I'm sure there are many who have joined today and not there yesterday. My name is Mr. Agarwal Sanjay. I'm a consultant surgeon and lead of bariatric surgery department at Homerton University Hospital in London. I'm also attached with Queen Mary University of London. I have some academic credentials which I will come to you later. First of all, I would like to give some information about the virtual event platform, which we call it a Hobilo. We have been using this webinars and virtual event for the last 18 to 20 months, and I thought we'll try a different platform, which we were told that it's the most advanced one and a greater audience engagement. It has got many features. The first one is the agenda page, where the whole program is populated for both the days. There are exhibitor space, which you can visit anytime on both the days, and a lounge where you can go with different lounges and socialize with your friends and with peers and with colleagues, with your audio and video. They're all named in rivers through different continents. And last but not the least, we have got leaderboard, which means just a bit of games. You have to score points, and if you score the highest point, we have given prizes and which will be up for grabs. I'm very pleased to announce that the first prize for yesterday has gone to this gentleman, Dr. Arun Kumar from New Delhi, who has scored the highest points for the first day event of 556 points. So he will be contacted soon for that. The registration yesterday crossed 500. This was not updated, but we have crossed 500 registrations so far now. If you look at and I would like to thank everyone who for this fantastic response, and a credit goes to each of you who has registered for the event. If we go by breakups, 2/3 were doctors and 1/3 were allied health professionals. If we go with countries, 50% were from UK, and the rest 50% were from 43 countries. So I would like to thank each and every faculty who has participated yesterday and who are there to support us today as well, for their precious time from their busy schedule to attend and teach us. This list, very busy slides, but it's all there on the platform, and I'm sure you can have a look and go through them. This is the Homerton team who has greatly helped to make it a success as well. Thanks to participating societies, Barrier Link run by Dr. Dilemans. He has always been a supporter of LIPS, and then we join together every year. Obesity Surgery Society of India. I would like to thank the current president, Dr. Manish Khaitan, as well as Dr. Sandeep Agarwal, Professor of Surgery at All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi, for agreeing to join with LIPS with an Aussie session for today afternoon. I would also like to thank my friend Kamal from Sunderland for joining with us for a Turk session this morning. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy both the sessions. And I'd like to acknowledge Bridge Maddock from Derby for his valuable contribution to the scientific program. Mr. Chetan Mahavar, Chetan Parmar, who has been very helpful in making the program as well. As you are aware, this LIPS has been accredited by the Royal College of Surgeons of England for up to 12 CPD points. However, the CPD points will reflect only the numbers of hours you are logged in on the virtual platform, and this will be analyzed in the next month following the symposium. An email will be sent to everybody to complete a survey to provide feedback, which is an essential requirement for the accreditation. Once the survey has been filled up, the certificate will be posted to you by email in the new year. We are endorsed by IFSO as before. We have our sponsors, Medtronic and Ethicon as well. I would like to just give a brief summary of or update on this book, which has been very popular for the last 7 years. It has already achieved over 200,000, 210,000 individual chapter downloads since the first edition. And there is a grand prize for securing the highest rank in the leader for both the days with a brand new editor signed copy to the winner. We have a new edition coming up next year, and I would like to thank all the successor editors, especially Sandeep Agarwal, Cynthia Bode, William Hawkins, Omar Khan, Harris Khwaja, Lillian Ko, Kamal Mahawar, Vinod Menon, Chetan Parmar, Dimitri Purnaris, and Andrew Vaughan for their hard work in making the second edition a success as well, along with all the authors within the book. And I wish you were all here in this beautiful city of London this year, but obviously we would hope to see you each other face to face next year on 24th and 25th of November. Thank you.